Hey, my friend, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So one of the things I noticed that could cause this issue is, just try putting this on all from desktop. Maybe it's for people that are trying to do it on their phone that are having that issue. So try putting it on all for this and test it out. If it doesn't work, you could try just putting everything on all. Okay, so that we can see if that's an issue. Okay, so that's the first thing I want you to try. The second thing is you have a lot of codes on your page. You have Facebook code, you have a footer code, and you also have custom code. So any one of these three can actually be causing that issue as well for some people. So after you've put it on all and you've tested it and it doesn't work, this is the second thing we want to do so that we can test it again. Just go here to where it says general. Okay, so you don't have anything here, which is good. Alright, so go to integrations, select HTML form, select parse and save, select integrate with existing form, parse and save web form, go out, click on save, and then clear your cache and your cookies and test it. If that doesn't work, after you test it, you go back into the settings, you click on integration, you remove the integration you had just created, you go out and you click on save. Okay, so you add integration, then you remove it, then you clear your cache and your cookies, then you test it again. If that doesn't work, it must be just a code issue. So you might want to just take this off and put it on a notepad. And same thing after you take this off, after you take this footer code off, test it again in in an incognito window. Try test it, put the funnel on test mode and test it. If it works, that's great. If it doesn't work, you come back, you remove the other code, this one, and you test it again. If the purchase goes through, that's great. If it doesn't go through, you come back into custom code and you remove this one as well, and then you test the funnel again. If it works, that's great. If it doesn't work, then you go out and you click on this gear icon and put 1 in front of it. Mostly what I'm doing is I'm trying to clear the server cache, and then you put update page. You don't do like a split test for an order form, right? This might be another reason why. So order forms, you just create one here and then you create another one, but you don't do like control and variation for order forms. That's for opt-in pages. Okay, so just take this off. So yeah, go ahead and do that, make those changes, and let me know if it works. Bye for now.